I like to write song parodies, and Garrison Keillor had a contest going on Prairie Home Companion about spring poems. So I put this to music, and it's can be sung to the tune of Tarara Bundier, if that's legal. If not, you can thank me for planting the tune in your head to resound for the next week. Nature poem. It's poison ivy time, get out the calamine. It's not my favorite vine, see how the blisters shine. I'm itchy and forlorn, it grows upon my lawn, from dusk till early dawn. How I wish it were gone. 3 very shiny leaves, each spring are my pet peeve. The presents I receive just spread and will not leave. It makes my temper rise when blisters grow in size. I fight it as it tries to creep up on my thighs. Hey, I'm a serious poet.